In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get certified in Google Analytics 4, often referred to as GA4, in just a few simple steps. This certification can greatly enhance your digital marketing skills, making you a more valuable asset in the industry. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. This is where our journey begins. Once you are on the Google homepage, you'll need to sign in, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. You will be prompted to select your Google account or enter your credentials. If you haven't signed in already, you'll need to choose the account you wish to use, and then enter the password for that account to gain access. With your account now open, your next step is to locate and click on the Google Apps menu, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. This menu is represented by a grid of small dots. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list filled with a variety of Google applications. Within this menu, you'll see the option to proceed by clicking Next. Follow through as directed to ensure you're headed in the right direction. After you've clicked through, go back to the Google Apps menu again at the top right. From the list of options available, you will need to choose Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that provides you with insight into your website's traffic and performance metrics, and obtaining certification in GA4 can be a huge step forward in your career or business endeavors. Once you've selected Google Analytics, you'll be directed to the Analytics interface. Here, focus on finding the Home option in the menu and click on it. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of your Analytics workspace. From the home section, scroll down the page and keep an eye out for the link that says Take the course on Skillshop. Skillshop is Google's online platform for educational courses, where you can enroll in a variety of training modules, including the one we're seeking today. Click on the link that leads to the course. You'll be presented with various options, but your mission here is to find any link that will get you directly into the GA4 course. Once you have found one, click on it and you'll be taken to the course enrollment page. Finally, the last step is simple but crucial. Enroll in the course, follow the instructions to complete your enrollment, and you'll be on your way to mastering Google Analytics 4. Upon completion of the course, you'll officially be certified in GA4, showcasing your expertise in this essential tool, and there you have it, a straightforward way to get certified in GA4. This certification not only boosts your knowledge, but also your professional credentials, making you stand out in the digital realm. Good luck with your certification journey, and thank you for watching.